You have recently installed Facebook Pixel in your website, but you don't know whether the code has been installed correctly or not. At this point, you must want to have some tool which will give you an idea whether you have installed the pixel correctly or not. Hello, I am Sanjay Gupta and I welcome you all to my channel, The Internet Library. The Facebook Pixel Helper is a tool that will give you the correct status of your installed Pixel code. The Facebook Pixel Helper is a troubleshooting tool that helps you find out if your Pixel is working correctly. It is a basically Chrome plugin which you can install in your Chrome as a Chrome extension in on a website, and you can check for errors and you can understand the events that your pixel is receiving. The Facebook Pixel Helper can offer tips on how to improve your pixel's performance, including suggestions to log actions that take place on your website. Sometimes people install pixel at a very low at a very bottom of the page. So if that is the case, then probably there might be some error in receiving the pixel, in receiving the data, because it might happen that pixel is fired late and the visitor has just left. So that is why it has to be pasted in the head section of a web page. And secondly, it will also give suggestion to opt into tracking. Basically, if there is some error, then it will tell that you have to opt in back. Right. So let us see that how we can install Facebook Pixel Helper on our website. So we have to go to Google. On Google, we have to type Facebook Pixel Helper. This you have to type on Google, and Google will give you a result. The first result, which is from chrome.google.com, that says Facebook Pixel Helper, Google Chrome. You have to click on this link, and this link will open the Google Chrome store, Chrome Web Store. And here you will see, here it will give you an option. There is a tab, add to Chrome. In my case, it is removed from Chrome because I have already added this extension to my website, to my Chrome, right? But in your case, it will be showing, giving you an tab, add to Chrome. You have to click on this, and then this plugin, this extension will get added to your Chrome extension in this way. So this, if you see, I have placed a cursor over here, and this is showing Facebook Pixel Helper. So this way you can add this plugin to your Chrome, and you can get to know whether the pixel which you have installed has been installed correctly or not. You have to, after installing, you have to go to your website and then see, in this case it is deactivated, right? You see there is no action, it is not clickable, but when the moment you go to your website, it shows it is active, and it is saying that Facebook Pixel Helper has access to this site. Now if you see, there is a number 3, figure 3 displaying. So basically it is saying that 3 pixel has been fired, right? Now I'll click on this, and it is showing me that the pixel has been fired for page view and for view content. So this way you will get the result from this particular Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension, that okay, the green tick is showing that it has been correctly installed, and yes, it is receiving the data. So in order to see the analytics, you can simply click on view analytics, and it will take you to another page where it will show you the complete analytics for that particular page. So it will just get loaded in a second, and then you will be seeing the analytics. So here, if you see, this is the dashboard of analytics, overview, dashboards, activity, people, settings, everything is there. And now this will load the data. So it will take some seconds to load. And now if you see, it is a analytics of last 28 days, and it is showing new users 146, which is up by 118%, 168 unique users, which is up by 115%, purchase conversion rate 9.59%, which is down by 46.5%, and this is benchmarking with last 28 days. Week 1 retention 5.17%, which is 100%, and median session length, that is the session which has happened on this page, is 1.4 second. So this is median basically, right? It has calculated all the visits, and then there are further more analytics which you can explore in deep, in depth. Active users last 24 hours, 10 user activity, weekly users, daily users, monthly users, then top traffic sources, direct, self referral, social networks, search engines, referral. All these are your top traffic sources. Top new user traffic sources, direct, social networking, search engines. So this analytics is in depth. Then top new user location, India 101, all other 41. You can see the full report over here. So it will show you. So all other country, so India, it is saying 957, and then this is all other 138 count. Let me see whether I can include other things. City I can include, which is not there. So city, it is saying that 834 count is, and you can add certain more things, and you can see, you can save also this information, you can export to CSV file. So all this plus again some filters, if you want to see, you can add this: current domain, device type, gender, language, mobile network, region. You can see regions, right? So the data is loading. So it has all other country, it has shown. So that way you can see the analytics also of your pixel. Then on the left hand side also you can see a lot of things: breakdowns, journeys, percentiles, people, lifetime value. So lot of analytics you can explore in deep. So I hope this video has helped you in installing the Facebook Pixel Helper, and you have come to know about this tool. Many people don't know about this Facebook Pixel Helper, and it will resolve, it will make your life easy, and it will resolve your issues if there are some errors or you have not installed the Facebook Pixel correctly. So this Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension will give you all those indications so that you can work on that accordingly. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Subscribe to my video, subscribe to my channel, like my video so that you can get updated videos in near future also, right? Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.